Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I've talked to so many people lately about Daria, should I be renting? Should I be buying a house? So today I want to cover 4 things every renter needs to consider. So stay tuned, coming up now. So, 4 things every renter needs to consider this year. So, as a renter, you're constantly faced with the same dilemma. Keep renting for another year? Yeah, let's do it another year. Let's go another year. Or should I be buying a house? Your answer depends on your current situation and your future plans. But there are a number of benefits to home ownership every renter needs to consider. Here are a few things you should think about before you settle on renting for another year. Number 1, guys, rents are rising quickly and out of the roof. It's ridiculous. Rents increasing each year isn't new. Looking back at census data confirms rental prices have been going up constantly for decades. In this graph, you see how many, like from year, whatever this little thing says, 19 something to today. So this data is from like September of this year, and look how they increased each and every year. Isn't that crazy? If you're a renter, you're faced with payments that continue to climb each year. Realtor.com recently shared their September rental report, and it shows prices increased accelerating from August to September. So in this graph, you can see, hold on, from the gray to the red, how many percentages went up. A 2-bedroom, 12.3, went to 14.4. Isn't that crazy? I remember moving here 6 years ago to Florida, and we moved to a 1-bedroom first because we didn't know the area, we didn't know where we're going. So a 1-bedroom back then was a little bit over $1,000. I think we paid like $1,100 for a 1-bedroom. That same 1-bedroom in that community now is close to $1,500, just over the term of six years. But I'm saying how quickly it climbed over the past 1.5 years. It's crazy. It's ridiculous. So as this graph shows, rents are still on the rise. It's important to keep this in mind when the time comes for you to sign a new lease, when you're renewing, as your monthly rental payment may increase substantially when you do. Like it can be from, I remember $1,550 a 2-bedroom when we moved later on, and then they increased the year after, it was already $1,675. And it's like, it's not making smaller jumps no more. They go from ridiculous prices, and I hear it all the time. People are complaining because it's crazy. You can't really afford nothing nowadays anymore when you're renting. All right, guys. Thing number 2 you need to consider: renters miss out on equity gains. So one of the most significant advantages of buying a home is building wealth through equity. This year alone, homeowners gained a substantial amount of equity, which in turn grew their net worth. As a renter, you miss out on this wealth building tool that can be used to fund your retirement. Buy a bigger home, downsize, or even achieve personal growth like paying for education or starting your new business, whatever it may be. Tip number 3, guys, homeowners can customize to their heart's content. Like you can do whatever you want to your house. Unless you live in an HOA, you got to be careful there. But, this is a big decision-making point if you want to be able to paint, renovate, and make home updates. In many cases, your property owner determines these selections. Like they put in their appliances, they put in their kitchen, their bathroom cabinets, whatever. You can't really change anything. And as a homeowner, you have the freedom to decorate and personalize your home to what truly makes it your own happy home. So thing number 4, guys, you have to consider is owning a home may provide greater mobility than you think. So you may choose to rent because you feel like, you're more flexible, you can move whenever you want, you can change cities, you can change areas. So while that's true, selling a home may take more time than finding a new rental. It's important to note how quickly houses are selling in today's market. According to the National Association of Realtors, the average home is only on the market for 17 days. Okay, let that sink in. So 17 days, your home, you could be selling it, and meantime, you're paying, the down payment money, all the deposits, when you're renting. Then it's just so much work lately just to move into apartment. So that means that you may be more flexible than you think if you need to relocate as a homeowner. It's not that difficult nowadays because everything sells so quick. So the bottom line is, guys, really deciding if it's the right time for you to buy is a personal decision. Nobody's gonna force you, it's up to you. And the timing is different for everyone. Everybody has different plans. However, if you'd like to learn more about the benefits of homeownership, contact your professional real estate agent that is in your area, or the one that you feel comfortable with. They can help you make a confident, informed decision that and be your trusted advisor along the way. They're gonna help you say, okay, this is a good move, this is a good area, that house is priced correctly, whatever it is. It's up to you. At the end of the day, a realtor should just be there along your way. So that was my short little video, guys. 4 things you need to consider while you're renting. If you found value in this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share it with everybody that needs to know things about renting versus owning a home. So yeah, anything else, I put my information in the description below. If you like to know what your next step is, I would love to be by your side and guide you a little bit in the right direction. Yeah, make sure to like, share, hit the notification button, check out my other videos, and let's stay contacted. See you guys. Thank you.